In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Instagram highlights without posting to your story. So although there's no official way where you can add to your highlights without posting on your story, there is kind of a workaround method that we can use to go and achieve the same results. So what you'll need to do is just head over to your Instagram profile, click on the plus icon next to your profile picture, and then go and select the image that you want to add to your highlights, or alternatively, you can use the camera icon to go and take a photo. Once you've selected the photo that you want to add to your highlights, click on your story in the bottom navigation. Now straight away, click on your profile icon once again, and as soon as this is finished uploading, click on the More button in the bottom right hand side and click on Archive. Now, because we've done this so quickly, it means nobody's going to be able to see that story. And now to add this to your highlights, click on the settings bar in the top right hand side, click on Archive, and from here you'll be able to find the story that we just posted, go and click on it, click on Highlight, and then select the highlights that you want to add this story to. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.